Welcome to Amazing World Facts, your go-to channel for uncovering the marvels of nature. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to explore one of the most peculiar and fascinating creatures that inhabit our seas, the sea hare. These bizarre-looking sea creatures are more than just a curious sight. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems and boast some truly astonishing features. Let's embark on this underwater journey together. The sea hare, belonging to the order Anaspidia, is a type of marine gastropod mollusk. They derive their name from the pair of ear-like structures, called rhinophores, on their heads, which resemble the ears of a hare. But don't let their name fool you. These creatures are far from being terrestrial mammals. Sea hares are equipped with a set of fascinating adaptations that make them truly unique among sea dwellers. With over 50 species, sea hares can be found in various colors, shapes, and sizes. Some species are small, measuring only a few centimeters, while others can grow up to 75 centimeters in length. Their vibrant colors, ranging from shades of green, brown, red, and even blue, are not just for show. These hues play a vital role in their survival, helping them blend into their surroundings and avoid predators. Camouflage is one of the primary defense mechanisms of the sea hare. Their ability to blend into their environment is nothing short of extraordinary. This skill is especially useful when hiding from predators such as crabs, lobsters, and fish. But when camouflage isn't enough, sea hares have another trick up their sleeve: a chemical defense system. Much like the more familiar octopus, sea hares can release a cloud of ink to confuse and deter predators. However, the sea hare's ink is unique in its composition. It contains toxins and unpalatable compounds that can make potential predators think twice before attacking. The ink not only acts as a smokescreen, allowing the sea hare to make a swift escape, but it also disrupts the predator's sense of smell and taste, creating a sensory overload. Another fascinating aspect of sea hare biology is their diet. These creatures are primarily herbivores, feeding on various types of algae and seagrass. Their radula, a specialized feeding organ, functions like a rasp, scraping and cutting through their food. The pigments from their diet often contribute to their coloration, providing them with their distinctive hues. The reproductive behavior of sea hares is equally intriguing. They are simultaneous hermaphrodites, meaning each individual possesses both male and female reproductive organs. This unique adaptation allows them to mate with any other sea hare they encounter, greatly increasing their chances of successful reproduction in the vast ocean. During mating, they often form long chains, with each individual acting as both male and female, passing sperm to the one in front while receiving from the one behind. After mating, sea hares lay their eggs in long, gelatinous strings, which can contain thousands of eggs. These strings are often anchored to rocks, algae, or other surfaces. Once the eggs hatch, the larvae, known as veligers, drift as plankton in the open ocean before eventually settling down and transforming into their adult form. Sea hares are not only fascinating from a biological perspective, but also hold significant ecological importance. By feeding on algae, they help maintain the balance of marine ecosystems, preventing algal overgrowth that can lead to problems like hypoxia, where the oxygen levels in the water become dangerously low. Unfortunately, like many marine species, sea hares face threats from human activities. Pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change pose significant risks to their populations. Plastic waste, in particular, is a growing concern, as it can cause physical harm and introduce toxins into their habitats. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these unique creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit. Marine protected areas, sustainable fishing practices, and reducing plastic waste are crucial steps we can take to ensure the survival of sea hares and countless other marine species. So, the next time you're exploring the ocean, whether through diving, snorkeling, or simply learning about marine life, take a moment to appreciate the incredible sea hare. These enigmatic creatures remind us of the complexity and beauty of our oceans and the importance of preserving them for future generations. Let's take a closer look at the anatomy of a sea hare. Unlike typical snails, sea hares have a reduced or absent shell, making them more flexible and agile. Their body is covered in a soft, often leathery mantle, which can secrete a thick mucus. This mucus not only helps them glide smoothly over surfaces but also serves as another line of defense, making them less palatable to predators. Internally, sea hares have a complex digestive system adapted to their herbivorous diet. Their stomach contains a specialized structure called the gizzard, which grinds up their food, and they possess a long, coiled intestine for efficient nutrient absorption. Additionally, sea hares have a simple yet effective circulatory system, with a heart that pumps hemolymph, their equivalent of blood, throughout their bodies. Sea hares go through several fascinating stages in their life cycle. After hatching from their eggs, the veliger larvae drift in the plankton, where they face numerous challenges, including predation and finding suitable habitats to settle. This planktonic stage is critical for dispersal, allowing sea hares to colonize new areas and maintain genetic diversity within their populations. To gain more insights into the lives of sea hares, we spoke with marine biologists who have dedicated their careers to studying these intriguing creatures. Here's what they had to say. Sea hares are fascinating because of the unique adaptations. Their ability to release ink is not just for defense, it also plays a role in communication and mating. The chemicals in the ink can signal to other sea hares, helping them locate each other in the vast ocean. Sea hares are vital for maintaining the health of their ecosystems. By feeding on algae, they prevent overgrowth that can lead to detrimental algal blooms. Their presence is a good indicator of a healthy, balanced marine environment. In addition to their ecological importance, sea hares are also a subject of interest in the field of neurobiology. Researchers study their simple yet sophisticated nervous systems to understand more about learning and memory. The sea hare's large, easily accessible neurons have provided valuable insights into the functioning of more complex nervous systems, including our own. One notable example is the work of Nobel Prize-winning scientist Eric Kandel, who used the sea hare Aplysia californica to study the molecular mechanisms of memory. His research has significantly advanced our understanding of how memories are formed, stored, and recalled, highlighting the unexpected ways in which these humble creatures contribute to science. Sea hares are found in oceans across the globe, from the shallow waters of coastal regions to the deeper, more mysterious parts of the sea. Their adaptability to different environments showcases their resilience and the incredible diversity of life in our oceans. Despite their often overlooked presence, sea hares play a crucial role in the intricate web of marine life. They interact with a variety of other organisms, from the algae they consume to the predators they evade, contributing to the dynamic balance of ocean ecosystems. The world of the sea hare is a testament to the wonders of nature's ingenuity and the interconnectedness of all life forms. As we continue to explore and learn more about these remarkable creatures, we are reminded of the importance of preserving the delicate balance of our oceans. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the life of the sea hare. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the incredible creatures that inhabit our planet, be sure to subscribe to Amazing World Facts. Together, let's continue to uncover the mysteries of nature, one fascinating fact at a time. Stay curious, stay amazed, and we'll see you in the next video.